Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change theme wallpaper in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to open your settings. Now you can see here personalization. Click on it. Here you can see themes. Tap on it. Now go to Browse Themes. Here you can see a list of themes. You can choose one which you like. Now you can see here Get Options. Click on it. Now you can see here downloading. Now click on Open. So this is how you can change your theme wallpaper in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.